Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear your conversation on your Snapchat's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To clear your conversation on your Snapchat's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Snapchat application on your device. Make sure that you have downloaded the application and signed up for your account in case if you don't have an account yet. If you already have an account, make sure that you have logged into it or not. In case if you haven't logged into your account, you need to sign into your account first. To download your Snapchat application on your device, firstly go ahead and launch open your Play Store. The home page of Play Store will be displayed on the screen. Click on search icon at the bottom right corner of the page. On the search box at the top, type in Snapchat and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on the application. Now to download the application, click on Insta button right next to the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading an application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open button to launch the application. Once you launch open your Snapchat application on your device, the official page of Snapchat will appear on the screen. You can sign up for your Snapchat's account using your Google account as well, or else you can also tap on Sign Up option. Tap on Continue. Allow Snapchat to make and manage phone calls by tapping on Allow option. Tap on Continue once again. Enter your name and tap on Agree and Continue. By tapping on Agree and Continue, you'll agree to the terms and conditions of Snapchat application. Enter your date of birth and tap on Continue. Create a password for your Snapchat account. On the next page, enter your email address and click on Continue once again. You can also create your Bitmoji as well as if you want to. Once you're done with all the procedures, you'll be able to sign up for your Snapchat account in no time. Now to clear your conversation on Snapchat from the camera screen, swipe the screen towards the right side. You will end up on the chat section of your Snapchat's account. Select and long press on the chat that you'd like to clear on Snapchat. From the displayed options, click on Chat and Notification Settings option. Now tap on Clear from Chat Feed option. Confirm clearing the conversation by tapping on Clear from the pop-up. This is how you can clear your conversation on your Snapchat's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be uploading more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Stay tuned and thank you so much for watching.